Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone dealing with a damaged DJI Air 2S drone. Specifically, its eye in the sky, the gimbal camera. When the original camera on an Air 2S takes a hit, whether from a crash or other mishap, the drone's primary function is compromised. Replacing the entire unit can be costly, so repair parts like this one become incredibly valuable. What we have here is a replacement gimbal camera assembly designed specifically for the DJI Air 2S. This isn't just a lens cap or a small accessory. It's the core imaging system that captures those stunning 20-megapixel photos and high-resolution video, featuring that 1-inch CMOS sensor the Air 2S is known for. The product is described as brand new and high quality, which is exactly what you want when replacing such a sensitive and vital part of your drone. The design is noted as being reasonable, intended to make the process of installation and removal straightforward. This is key for a replacement part. It needs to fit correctly and connect properly to the drone's internal systems. It serves as a direct swap for the original damaged camera, aiming to restore the drone's full capabilities. The promise is that by replacing the broken component with this part, you can ensure a long lifetime for the repair and, more importantly, restore the drone to its proper working performance. The ultimate goal of using such a part is simple: to get a grounded Air 2S back into the air, functioning exactly as it should. However, and this is a critical point that cannot be stressed enough, installing a component like the gimbal camera on a sophisticated drone like the Air 2S is not a task for the faint of heart or the inexperienced. The information provided explicitly states that this repair requires professional maintenance experience. This isn't a simple snap-in, snap-out process like changing a battery or propeller. It involves intricate wiring, delicate connections, and potentially calibration procedures that require specialized tools and knowledge. Attempting this repair without the necessary expertise could easily lead to further damage to the drone or the replacement part itself. So, while this replacement gimbal camera offers a path to repairing a damaged Air 2S and ensuring the drone works normally again, it's essential to understand that this is a repair part intended for skilled technicians or individuals with significant experience in drone repair. It provides the necessary component to fix a broken camera system, offering a potential alternative to more expensive repair options, but the successful outcome relies heavily on the expertise of the person performing the installation. It's a high-quality part designed for a specific, technical repair process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.